So here's a quick video. If you have a problem where your turn signals aren't working on your, say, 90 to 93 Mustang, like mine have been going in and out, I looked at the switch after I disconnected, or after I took out the two, let's see, the two screws. They're these. They're Torx, they're 20s. They're T20s. You see right there. There's two of them, one at the top and the bottom on the left-hand side after you pull out the steering column trim. And what I noticed was, for my issue, I had two wires that were backing out of the connector. Let's see. That'd be one there, and then the blue and white one that had pulled out also. Once I reconnected those, then my turn signal started working again. So if you have that problem, start your connectors and see if they pulled out or if the retention clips are still in there. But now it works. So if you have any questions, just feel free to ask and subscribe.